Hi, Le Cocktail Connoisseur. This is Nihat Cam. I'm the director of bars at the Tampa edition. Today, once again, we're in Punchroom, Tampa, and I will walk you through an experience and one of our signature cocktails. So just to give you a little bit of background, what we do is part of our signature beverage programming here. We have our menu launched this year, and our focus will be our journey through our foreign eyes, and we have a journey starting from the south of the continent, and we will walk through the entire continent, and our focus will be North America. So here on this page, it actually gives you a little bit of illustration and story. So the story will walk you through the very south of Mexico, and we focus on 3 regions over there, and highlight it and showcase it. Each element will be reflected on the first page when you just open the bookcase. And here we have our barrels, which is focusing on the Kentucky side, which is the US part of the US journey. Here you have gators and pirates and a little bit water, rum bottles in the water, which is our Floridian side. Here you see grapes, which is going to reflect on the Californian side. On top you have a little Canada, which is forest driven, and New York. And here we have our little guide that tells the story, and our focus is always focusing on the punch, which actually part of the illustration here in the center of the everything that inspires all of our cocktails. So today, obviously, we're in Florida, so what I wanted to do was kind of like highlight the Floridian flavors. So as we have this tropical climate here, when you think of Florida, we thought about like tiki cocktail right away, and it had to be rum that focuses on this exotic tropical flavors that elevates the tiki cocktail and the tiki culture. So in order to do that, first locally we customize our tiki mugs, and we actually wanted to use the same guy who tells the story, and here we're going to start building the rest of the cocktail. To start with, we use Santa Teresa Arabica, which gives that coffee flavors that elevates the entire aroma for the cocktail. We used a little bit citrus, which is going to be the lemon juice for us, about 0.25. And we in-house here made our own blood orange cordial. We think that kind of like puts it all together with banana liqueur. So the entire structure is actually focusing on all these fresh flavors, house-made syrups, cordials, and a little bit coffee, again, to kind of like pop up that flavor coming from the rum. That makes it a little funky, plus the coffee, and crushed ice, a little mint to give it a little freshness, and dehydrated oranges. So this cocktail, obviously, when you think of tiki, it will be a little stir, a little twist, a little swizzle. For this one, we will start with our cordial. That is going to be the blood orange flavors mixed with coffee rum. So this will be 3.5 ounces of base to start with. Then we have our lemon, which is 0.25. That citrus gives the balance between all the sweetness and the coffee actually. And here we will use 1 ounce of coffee, and banana was already part of our base to start with, so we have all these flavors built in. I'm going to give a little bit stir to make sure all the flavors kind of go around, wraps up, rounds up for the rest of the cocktail. It's a very easy stir. We wanted to keep it very casual, easy, simple, and we top up with crushed ice. Use mint to give a little freshness. It's always nice in this climate, especially for tiki cocktails. And we wanted to make sure it looks like a little wild, a little jungle-ish. And as we did use inside, we also wanted to use the oranges again, part of the story. And to finish it off, obviously, everyone loves coffee. Everyone loves sugar. We did sugar powder, coffee mix all together to kind of like give that aroma and the fragrance on top before you take a sip. So it will be a little bit dust before we present the cocktail. And use straws. Obviously, it's a crush ice cocktail, so we want to make sure it's easy to drink. And here you will have Florida from Punchroom, Tampa. Enjoy.